Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the SP500 Index Fund Analysis, the Nasdaq 100 Index Fund Analysis, and the DXY or US Dollar Analysis, plus the Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see, guys, here, the SP500 is doing exactly what also we said, guys. So it's still falling. Yesterday, we've been here at that level here. We tell you it's going to fall down, and that's what it's showing. It's showing now it's falling down. So also we enter from that candle here, that one here. And as you remember, guys, also we enter from here, because we used to have here that price action here, that triangle here. When it's getting broke here, we enter. It fall down here to that level here. I told you, protect yourself and take some of the profit. It go back yesterday till here, and now it's showing it can't feel it falling. And that's what me have been telling you guys. I told you, also we're still in a downtrend, and that trend, it hasn't changed yet, as you see it. Because we used to have here that up channel was getting broke here. We enter short until now it's showing it's still falling down. And me, I told you the first target is it here at that level where it's touching now here. Second target is it down here at that level. So you over here, you protect yourself now. It give you that peak here. Move the stop loss down here and start follow it down, guys. If it fall down more, we follow it. Now we are with free cash, guys. If it fall down more, also we're taking more free cash, guys. I think picture is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our indicators. What the same for picture to be marked there to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, when we be in here at the overbought area, also we be looking here for a price action. The price action we used to have here, that triangle here. That one, when it's getting broke here, we enter short. Till now, we hasn't entered yet to the oversold area. So we need to wait a little bit till it will touch in here, the sold area, and it's going to become red here. Then also we will closing everything, or we taking more cash. That's the way how we trade, guys, and that's how we making profit. Till now there is no price action here indicating the market is going to reverse. Maybe in the future it's going to give us here a double bottom like that or something that is going to indicating for us also we need to enter long, but till now there is nothing there. Over there the market is showing it's still falling, and as you see it here, look with me, be focused with me here. That low here, it give you high, and now it's going to give you another low. If it's falling down and breaking here, breaking that last low here, that's when the market it will give us more low, guys. And that's what me have been telling you all the time. I think everything is too clear. By the way, yes, you are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Plus, guys, every day we put in for you 2 videos every day. 2 videos, one after European market close and one after the daily candle close. So like that, you're going to be very, very, very well updated about what the market doing right now. It's not something hard, my friend. Just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go in to see the Nasdaq 100, what it's doing today, guys. So let's go in there. The Nasdaq 100, guys, as you see it, that one we're making from it very, very decent profit. As you see it, from here we enter short. Look, yesterday we been here. I told you guys, protect yourself and take some of the profit. It went up till here, and today it's showing to us. It give us another low. So as I tell it to you, it's breaking even that supply and demand zone here. That one here is getting broke now, because that one here, also we said over here, protect yourself. Now it's break it. Now it's going to that one down here, that one here, and over there take some of the profit or extra profit, because over here also we said before we have here a wage like that, and when it's broken here we enter short, take profit of it. It needs to be down here at that level. So that's what it's showing. It's showing also still in a downtrend, guys. And I show you even in the daily, I show you all those things before. Now also still in a downtrend, guys. I think picture is too clear. Let's see our indicators, what they're saying. So let's see it, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, will be in here at the overbought area, here in that level. We enter short also because we used to have there a price action, as I show you before, that triangle here. We enter short also from here. Now it started entering here to the oversold area. Sell some of the cash, take some of the profit now. We are in a very, very nice place to take some of the profit. So looking for buy, we need a price action. There is no price action here indicating for us also we need to enter long. So we need to wait in a little bit, guys. And as you see it, also is still below the 200 moving average. So there is no buy yet. Also still in a short or a downtrend. I think picture is too clear, guys. Now let's going to see the DXY or US dollar index, what it's doing today. So let's go in there. US dollar, guys, I told you before, we got here that down channel like that. I told you if it's breaking up, we will enter long. Till now there is no break yet. And me, if you remember in the last video what me I told you here, people have been with us for some time. I told you, look here, low, high, another low, high here, came down, give us another low here, now go up, give us another high, but he couldn't come and breaking for us that last low, which is here. That meant that a change for the trend. That was me I told you yesterday. But I told you for us to know is a change for the trend, it need to give us here a double bottom like that. Till now it doesn't give it to us. It need to go up and to break for us that last high here, the one for us to enter long. So till now it doesn't breaking up. So there is no entry long, guys. It's still early for us thinking of to enter long against the US dollar or to enter long in the US dollar, because as I showed you before, if you trade in the Euro USD, that's when you're going to enter short, but it doesn't break up. So you need to wait in a little bit. If you trade in the British pound, that means you need to enter short. It's not yet. If you trade in the USD Japanese yen, that means you're going to enter long. So till now it doesn't confirm it, guys. It's our indicators, guys, what they're saying. Our indicator, as you see it, we're being here at the oversold area all along here. But till now there is no price action indicating for us also we need to enter long. So we need to wait in a little bit more, guys. I think picture is too clear, guys. Even here you can even make like that. Here as a price action you can make like that. As a triangle here like that. If it's getting broke you can enter long. But that one, me I don't focus on it. Me I focus on that one as I show it to you, that double bottom it's need to confirm it for us, or the W. Till now it's not yet, so we need to wait more, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into our friend the Bitcoin, what it's doing today. So let's go in there. By the way, yes you did you smash the like button? I know you don't. Go ahead and do it, my friend. Please support us. You know that channel with how it can growing up, so please pause the video now, smashing that like button, writing down a comment, support us, guys. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend, and I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. Now let's go to see the Bitcoin, what it's doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. The Bitcoin here, also we enter short from here when we breaking down here in that down of that channel here, that one also been following for some time, guys. We enter short. We came down here in that level here. I told you protect yourself and take some of the profit. It came down here. I told you take some of the profit. We're left with some Bitcoin now. It came upward till here, to that level here, that one. I told you if it's breaking here, that price action here, that one here. I told you if it's break it, you enter long. It doesn't break it, guys, and now it's showing it going back down. So what the view now? I think it's going to fall down more. But me, what did I told you about the Bitcoin, guys? I told you the Bitcoin is going to finish the week, all the week here in that level where we are. And that's what it's doing. Because I told you guys, the big whales, they want the Bitcoin to stay here in that 2 levels. And I show you all those things. So till now, it's showing the same thing what also we analyze. There is nothing new, guys, is going to happen. So now what the view? Tomorrow is Friday, guys, is the end of the week. I think picture is still clear. So now also we tell you, you got 2 levels. You got that one here and that one down here. And I told you if it came and breaking that one down, there is no entry short. You waiting just the break to happen here in the top. If it's breaking in the top, you close all that short you have here from that position and you enter long. But till now there is no break. So also we still waiting, guys, till something to come new. Maybe it's going to fall down more to break down here. That's fair enough, guys. I think everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our indicators what the same for pictures to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, guys, when it touch here, that zone, I told you take some of the profit. Over here, I told you take more of the profit. It came up to that middle zone here. I told you we don't have nothing to do. But the good news here, look at it, guys, what it's doing here. We're still controlling here. Is the bears. There is no balls yet. And at the power, guys, also is still in a downtrend. And I told you we can even make now a a trend like that, but it's not yet. It's need that one to fall down again to give us another trend, guys. I think picture is too clear, guys. Now it's going to say our other indicator, what it's saying for pictures to be more clear to you. That one here, first we enter short. We used to be here at the overbought area. It fell down here to the oversold area. Told you started protecting yourself. And now look at it. You can even now make a price action like that or a wage like that as you see it, but it's need to fall down more for us to know that one is a wage, guys. Now the only wage me I got is that one here, that inverted wage. It's need to keep upward to break it for us to know the market is going to change to our uptrend. Let me show you everything, guys, and tomorrow I'm going to do for you the option analysis for the next week, what the big whales they thinking of on the Bitcoin, and I think is going to stay sideways here, the same how we're looking at it now. That the view for big whales, and that where they put in strikes and pot, the calls, they are all of them here, and the puts, they are all of them down here. So those people they're making money that week because that's what they're saying. They say they are, it's not going to break either up or either down. And that's what it's showing, guys. And as you see it, a very clear picture. Also still in a sideways market. Nothing was changed. So now our indicator is enter here to the oversold area. If it's breaking upward here, that inverted wage here. If it came a breaking here, you enter long and you're closing that short position. If it's not, if it's going to fall down more, we are not going to close nothing. Because us already we got a short position, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping opportunity for today. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, the last video what me I told you here. I told you the market, it's very flat and there is no price action. But now he give us here a small triangle here, as you see it. It's being broken here. So from here, we'll have people, they enter short, going down with it. Let's see our indicators, what they say now. Our indicator, as you see it, enter here to the oversold area. That's when me I told you it's not yet here. At 30 minutes it's not yet, and here you can even make now like that, like a channel like that, and you waiting that break to happen upward here in that zone. If it's happen a break there, you enter long, but I don't think so the market is going to move that much because tomorrow is Friday and Saturday and Sunday there is no big move, so we need to wait and maybe till Monday, guys, or Sunday, then we're going to enter. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the daily candle. Finish it. Bye for now, guys.